Good morning, student. Welcome to hashtag Maths Adda. My name is Master Rakesh. Today we have a unique topic. This is known as Viranka numbers. Viranka's numbers. Virhanka. Virhanka. Virhanka number. Okay. So this is known as Viranka numbers. Viranka number. What is that? We will talk about this. Viranka was a mathematician, Indian mathematician. Viranka during 6th to 8th century of CE before Fibonacci. He introduced a sequence of number in which each number, third term, is the sum of two preceding terms. Suppose that if I'll say 1, 2, 3, this is the third number, third term is the sum of, sum means plus, two preceding number, which are they are there. So 1 plus 2 equal to 3. So तीसरा नंबर पहले दो नंबर का सम होता है. दिस इज नोन एज विरंकास नंबर. 1 plus 2 equal to 3. So suppose that 3, 5, 8. So 3 plus 5 equal to 8. First two adding, it makes the third number. So Indian mathematician Viranka developed this sequence during the 6th to 8th century. See, before Fibonacci. So he developed a sequence. Viranka number is also equal to Fibonacci sequence. So this is also equal to the Fibonacci numbers. In Sanskrit poetry, Viranka, it is the sutra is like the Tada Davyam Anantaram Samanikam Anugamyate Yatha Lagucha Gurucha Gati Tatha Purve Davyam Anugamyate. Okay, so there are long, two shorts means दो लघु मात्राएं. One long means guru. Okay, so these are the syllable. Okay, मात्राएं. Number of pattern for n is the number of n minus 1 plus number of n minus 2. This is the formula of Fibonacci, means the prior counts are summed to find next. So these are the prior counts are summed to find next. 1 plus 2 you will get the next. So these are the prior counts. If you are summing them, you will get the next one. So this is the formula. Fn equal to Fn minus 1 plus Fn minus 2. We'll use this formula. Suppose that Fn equal to Fn minus 1 plus Fn minus 2. F means Fibonacci. So Viranka number is also a Fibonacci numbers. So put the in place of 1, put the 1. Okay, then you will get 0 minus 1 1. So this is the formula like this, means if you are putting in place of n equal to 3, so 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1 is what? 2, 3 minus 2 is what? 1. So 1, 2 and 3. So 1 plus 2 equal to 3. First two numbers makes the third one. So this is the Fibonacci sequence. Similarly, you can get the Viranka's number. Viranka numbers, the sequence, it's very easy if you understood it. जब हम किसी छंद की रचना करते हैं तो उसमें छोटे, लघु और बड़ी गुरु मात्राओं का उपयोग होता है. किसी भी कुल मात्रा n के लिए छंदों की संख्या n-1 और छंदों की n-2 मात्राओं के छंदों को जोड़ने पर प्राप्त होती है. तो दिस इज फिबोनाची. ओके, Fn equal to Fn minus 1 plus Fn minus 2. So in Sanskrit he said कि यथा लघु च गुरु च गति तथा पूर्व दम्यम अनुगम्यते. So this is the Viranka's numbers. So Viranka sequence, you can get the Viranka sequence. So if we will solve the Viranka sequence, if we will get the Viranka's number, what will we get? 1, 2, 3. First two का sum of first two you will get the numbers. 2, 3, 5. 3, 5. 3 plus 5, 8. 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. 21 plus 13, 34. So this will keep going. These are the Viranka sequence. Okay. So one of the important topic of Viranka's number. pay attention, do like, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you very much.